Hello there. In this video I am going to open up what's inside this box. As you can see, it's fragile handle with cuts, so that means there's something delicate inside. But let's open it to see what's inside here. Three, two, one, and open. There's no actual box itself, it's coming in the bubble wrap. This is the box, it's the packaging itself, the phone itself, as you can see. Let's put this aside. You can see the icons, the artwork, Google Maps, Twitter. On the other side, Nokia 8110 8110, so that's the model with 4G, YouTube, Facebook. It's made in Vietnam, model and barcode information. Some other information. As you can see, this is a dual SIM. It's got games, application, 2 megapixel camera, so the camera quality is not good. It's going to be less better, not going to be as good as my Samsung Galaxy S6, which I use. Snake, dual com, and all the other things. This is the phone itself, as you can see. Now let's dig right into it. Out comes the phone. We leave that aside. I'll show you the phone later. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside here, as you can see, empty. I think that's it. So here you've got the these are the quick guide, the snap guide, and says a guide available in various languages: German, French, Finnish, Spanish, etc. Put that aside. You've got the USB charger, you've got the 3-pin socket, your USB cable. No, this is a charger, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's a charger, not a USB cable. And this here is the earphones, which I won't be using. I don't like earphones, I prefer headphones. It's much more comfortable. I don't like squidgy little things in my ears. Put that aside. And this is the battery. Let's leave the best till last. This is the phone itself. Take it out of there. It's in the plastic at the back. This is the front of the phone. It's got a screen, an LCD screen, Nokia logo. I'm not sure what's that. You've got the telephone keypad, as you can see, to control the phone. It's no touch screen. Around the side, that's the power. Here you've got your headphone jack, USB charging slot. I think that's the microphone. This is the Nokia logo. Speaker, camera with a flash. This is the phone itself. Now let's boot this thing up. Press the power button. As you can see, powered by Kai OS. Nokia from Finland, Finnish phone. Nokia symbol, Nokia logo. Got to charge it out. It's low on battery, as you can see. UK. I'm gonna choose. I'll just have. I always get used to using a smartphone using touchscreen, so now I have to get used to using this pad. Up, down, left, right, OK button. Select. Next. I can skip. I'm going to skip that part. You don't need to go through that. This is the phone itself. Got apps here. Contacts, store, Snake game. We're not going to play Snake. I can show you it another time. Camera, messages, YouTube. It's got all the essentials on it. A few games. I know how to go back now, yeah. Notices. Clear. Shortcuts. Wi-Fi, volume, brightness. Turn the brightness down. We've got flashlight on this, as you can see. Camera, Bluetooth. Calculator. Back. And this is the display itself. Nice. I like the background. I need to set up the correct time for this. 4G. It's a nice phone. Let's turn it back on. As you can see, I'll go into depth in another video. To sum up, the Nokia 8110 is a basic, nice basic phone to have with all the basic essentials like call, text, etc. Nothing too fancy like social media or the full touchscreen. And it looks vibrant, especially in this banana yellow colour. This is the reason why I switched to a basic Nokia from a smartphone to a basic Nokia phone, is because I've already got enough tech like my camera, iPad and laptop that I can use. So the main format that I use for filming from now on will be my Sony HX60V. And for the GoPro, I used to film on the GoPro, but now that when I was filming, when I was on the tripod, it snapped off and then fell into the bushes. So I don't know whether I can get that replaced or not. We'll see about that. So before the boot up, I put the battery and transfer the SIM card from my smartphone onto here off camera. Now I need to put this on charge. This is the end of the video. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video in the future. Stay alert, control the virus and save lives.